All right, let's go.
No.
Remember, he hides your baskets.
I don't know. Where's my basket?
You gotta look. Look around. He hides baskets.
I found Rose' basket right there. I see right there, Rose.
Oh, Ro!
Remember, it's mine. Whoa. Mommy, look, Mama.
Chocolate. All right, Casey, keep looking.
I like cars. Mama, now like cars. Where's mine?
Keep looking.
Mama. Mama, look at this, Mama. I found mine. Mama, look at there. Car. Mama, look, my truck car. Now look, Mama.
What'd you get?
A car truck.
A truck?
Look at Mommy. Sophia puzzle.
Wow.
I got chocolate and me.
Yep.
I can open this all by myself.
Okay.
I can open it for you.
All right, say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.